Promising a lifestyle of peace and tranquility where meticulously manicured gardens give way to spectacular valley views, this gorgeous acreage will delight families seeking their own version of country bliss. Positioned on approximately 2.5 acres and elevated above the vast Eltham Valley, the cleverly designed residence captures tranquil hinterland vistas and epitomises idyllic country charm. Enjoy 2 expansive outdoor decks with opposite aspects, ensuring ideal living conditions at any time of the day. Set on lovely timber floors and with air conditioning, the living and dining area features an open plan design along with north and south facing windows, allowing for a comfortable living zone, while flowing seamlessly to the 2 outdoor spaces. Attached to the living areas is a quality kitchen complete with a dishwasher and Bosch wall oven. The large main bedroom is privately positioned and features beautiful garden views, a walk-in robe and ensuite, while the home offers 3 additional bedrooms and a spacious 2-way main bathroom with a bathtub. Enjoy the large expanse of lush lawns framed by perfectly curated gardens and the endless views over the surrounding valley and distant mountain ranges. Just minutes to Clunes, Eltham, Alstonville or Lismore, this charming rural gem is ready to call home.
Through the hills, forever keeping promises, and it always
For more information, please contact Team Johnston.
will.